Welcome back, y'all, to another NBA 2K19 video. Today I'll be showing you how to skip the line on your daily spin. So what you want to do is go to ante up, of course. That's where the spin the wheel is if you didn't know, but most of you already know this. Once you get in, you're going to run to the closest spot near the wheel and spam A to jump on. As you see, I got on while there's another guy standing here. But watch. After he goes, it puts me on the spot, and I spin the wheel after him. Now, give this bitch a spin. Get my mob points, you already know. And after this, I'm going to show you. You're going to see everybody load in. You want to do this before everybody loads in. You just want to go straight into ante up. Jump on the spot, and that's it. As simple as that, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Try to get my channel to grow. I'm gonna try and start posting more videos. Try to get a little bit more consistent. But yeah, man, here you go. You can see everybody loaded in behind me, and yeah, that's it for it.